MAVEN is one of the widely used build automation tool for Java projects. That's the reason there are many courses which talks about MAVEN as a developer point of view. Apart from developer, DevOps engineer also use MAVEN. But there is no clear information about what kind of activities a DevOps engineer can take care of while using MAVEN. MAVEN for DevOps engineers. In this course, I'm going to talk about MAVEN as a DevOps engineer point of view. By enrolling to this course, you are going to learn how a developer use MAVEN, activities of a DevOps engineer on MAVEN, nothing but what kind of activities he can take care, building Java projects using MAVEN, and also you are going to learn how to set up MAVEN and integrating MAVEN with Jenkins. Topics do we cover as part of this training. First one is introduction section. Here we are going to see what is MAVEN and how MAVEN helps to a DevOps engineer, and resources what do we need to follow this course. In next section, we are going to prepare MAVEN environment on Windows. Here we are going to see installation of Java and installation of Eclipse. And we are not going to install MAVEN over here. Why? Because whenever we install Eclipse, by default MAVEN comes. Next, we are going to see create a first MAVEN project and MAVEN coordinates, default directory structure of a MAVEN project, steps involved in building a Java project, next MAVEN goals, and at last building first MAVEN project. In next section, we are going to talk about MAVEN goals and repositories. Here we talk about pom.xml, transitive dependency, MAVEN repositories, and pushing MAVEN project onto GitHub. In next section, we are going to deal MAVEN on Linux. Here we need a Linux system. For that, I am going to use AWS Cloud. So, preparing a MAVEN server. Next, set up MAVEN on Linux and building MAVEN project on Linux. Commonly used MAVEN goals. Creating a project with MAVEN archetype. Next, settings.xml. And at last, deploying an application on Tomcat server. Whatever application we build over here, that we are going to deploy on Tomcat server. In next section, we are going to see MAVEN on DevOps workflow. In this section, we are going to see how we can use MAVEN in continuous integration. Here we need a Jenkins server. So I'm going to set up Jenkins server again on AWS Cloud. Then we will add MAVEN server as an agent to the Jenkins and build a Java project on agent, nothing but on MAVEN server. In this section, we are going to see DevOps learning path and some additional resources. What courses you can learn next as part of your DevOps journey, and bonus lecture about coupon codes of our other courses, and creating an AWS account which you don't know while doing this course. You may come here and check out how to create an AWS account, install Git Bash, install MobiXterm, and install Tomcat. These installations are needed to practice this course.